Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. As motorists complain about the rising gas prices, gasoline retailers are also complaining that they too are feeling the pinch. They argue that the petroleum marketing companies are the ones benefiting most from the price hike. Gas prices are on the rise, but gasoline retailers say they aren't the ones to blame. President of the Jamaica Gasoline Retailers Association, JGRA, Diane Param, is pointing fingers at petroleum marketing companies.
Based on the ex-refinery price that is published each week, you can go on the world market and you can get finished product as a marketer. You can purchase finished product for a lower price. What you do when you import that product, you still use the ex-refinery price as your base, so you get a bigger profit.
That's why she's urging Petrojam to change the way they do business.
The issue is for Petrojam to ensure that level of efficiency, which is, as I remind you, part of the Zachary committee was that instead of being a refinery, you would now become a terminal where you actually import that product as well at that low price, and then you would actually make that margin as well. And it would increase the profitability even for Petrojam.
The JGRA president made a distinction between gasoline retailers and petroleum marketing companies, noting that prices are largely determined by the marketing companies.
The marketing companies are the owners of the property for the most part. They are the major investors. And then the retailers are the operators of the individual sites and the individual locations. So you pay a franchise fee, you pay a rent, and you're allowed to operate the premises under that brand, under the terms and conditions of your contract.
She disclosed that gasoline retailers have seen a 60% decrease in volume due to the COVID-19 restrictions. In the meantime, Petrojam's General Manager Winston Watson has indicated that the current shortage in the U.S. oil market is an ideal example of why a local refinery is necessary. He says despite the cyber attack on U.S. oil and gas pipeline, Jamaica's supply has not been affected. He was speaking on Beyond the Headlines today with Dion Jackson Miller.
One of the good things of having a refinery is you're ensured security of supply. So it's always easier to get crude oil on the marketplace. So we can purchase crude oil, which we have done. We are running that through our refinery now, and we are producing the products that Jamaica needs. So we have adequate supplies. We don't need to go into the U.S. Gulf to buy products because we would have a difficulty getting products now, given what is happening. So we're producing what we require. So we're okay.
And the gasoline prices are going up for a fourth straight week. Both 87 and 90 gasoline are selling at record highs. $2.21 will be added to the price of 87 gasoline, while 90 gasoline will go for $3.06 more. It's costing $2.08 more for automotive diesel, and ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase $3.06. $2.45 is being added to the price of kerosene. Propane is up $2.47 and butane will cost $1.10 more. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $151.29. The Canadian dollar is going for $125.87. The pound closed at $212.63, while the euro is being sold for $186.52. And the JC index gained 314 points today, and the junior market index is up 26 points. Among the winners were T-Tech, KLE Group, Epley 8.75%, Elite Diagnostic, and First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares. On the losing side were Margaritaville Turks, Salada Foods, Sagicor Select Funds, Manufacturing and Distribution, iCreate, and Key Insurance. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.